So let's go ahead and refresh a little bit knowledge and layout of Photoshop so we can feel we're working on the same plane. This currently version is Photoshop CC 2015, and we'll go work with new document. So you can see we open, you have some previous, maybe already files you worked before, but when you click create new documents, you have options with already presets or created new. So we'll go in and we'll just, for purpose, just create 2000 by 2000 pixels. Okay, we'll have it landscape type formation if you need it, or a square. Keep it on 300 GPI. And for purpose of tutorials, I will work with 8-bit. Usually, if you prefer the commercial work or other things, I highly recommend using a 16-bit. And I have some tutorial to see the difference between those 8 or 16-bit. But again, for purpose of tutorial, faster process, we'll use 8-bit. And we'll just set our background as white. So let's go ahead, click correct. So as you open, you will have a different look on your images. If you have it more than one, you may have it already tabs open. Next, what we'll look right here, it is layout. And this is mostly when we work on some images and people say, hey, I don't have those windows showing up. If for some reason you modify, you can reset your layout, and you can go in top right corner. Right here you can see with arrows. We can click on this arrow, and this is already preset some workspaces for us. So I will use for the tutorials essential, what is coming default. You may use it some photography already layout, or you maybe have it a painting or some other ones, and you can see how they change this. The nice thing is about Photoshop that you can modify, customize, and save your own layout and reuse it. But again, for purpose of tutorials, we'll just use it a basic essential layout. Okay, so other things, we have it on our left side. We have a toolbar that we can access to very fast specific functions and tools in Photoshop. And you notice some of them have triangles. And it's mean if you right click, you can extend and you can access additional tools inside before you select them. For example, if we go with brush, we can select the brush, pencil, or other tools. So you just tell it's something more there. On the top, we have it, our main navigation, and all functionality of Photoshop you can access several ways. You can access to the quick toolbars, you can access from hotkeys, and of course, from drop-down top menus, you can access same options, so they're hidden. Okay, below this, we have it more as a functional tool that will be related to specific tool you're selecting. For example, if you have a picker, you can see it's change on the top. If I select the pen tool, it will specific options just to the pen tool, same as with a type tool or a brush or other ones. And those options will modify as we're working. So right now, this is tab selections for our documents. So we have different documents and they're tabbed. You can separate them, put it side by side. But again, for purpose of tutorial, I will suggest you keep it as we have. So in this case, it's basic essential setup. So in this case, you can easier follow the tutorials what we do. On our right side, we have fast access to some tools. You can access them from the window and open those areas. And some of them we will be adding to our side as we're going along with our tutorials. The right side, we have our options. Same things, windows we can access from drop down. Right here, we have our colors, swatches, and styles, if you have any. Libraries, adjustment layers that we can access from below, and we have our layers, channels, and path just below the areas. As well, you notice we have additional options. We can create it, adjustments, mask new layers, all folders, all deleted in our layers. So overall, this is kind of very fast overview of interface, and you're probably already familiar if you worked before with Photoshop. Just to keep it as on the same track, we kind of overlook that.